Here are 3 layering mistakes that are ruining your haircut. The first one is that you don't have enough layers. So you see this popular mop top haircut that I have here. Well, the whole entire thing is fully layered. Now, layering is a technique that is designed to remove weight. What is weight in your hair? Well, if you were to take this piece of hair and bring it all the way down here, see how this can't reach? Well, because it's layered. But if I were to take this and I could actually, or if you did this and you pulled it all the way down here and you actually had all that length, that means it's one length. You're not getting the right layers or no layers at all. So what that really means is you really need to focus on getting the proper shape. There's no way you're gonna be able to get a shape like this if you don't have the right layers. Now, the next thing is the layer length. If you have layers, which is good, if they're too short, what's gonna happen is your hair is only gonna be able to do so much. If your layers are too long, it's going to lay too flat to the head. That is really, really important because if you're looking for a shape that's gonna give you a bit more fullness like this, and you have very long layers, it's just gonna lay flat. The third thing is the layered shape. Now, with layering, there are 3 different types of shapes. There is rounded, or what I like to call out from the head. Then you've got very square or boxy layers. And then you have triangular layers, which goes shorter to longer, which means all this is longer, all this is shorter. So let's talk about what rounded layers are. Again, I like to call that more out from the head, which is really part of my TCS, top corner sides cutting method, which I'm gonna be launching a digital course on soon. So if you wanna learn that method of how I cut hair, it's gonna be very, very helpful. So stay tuned for that. The hair grows out from the head. Hair is naturally doing that. So if you follow the natural pattern, AKA round, for the most part, most humans have a rounded head, you're gonna get the most natural shape. Anytime you have a square layered shape or very, very boxy like this, what happens is those corners are left longer. The corners are gonna weigh the hair down. So if you're somebody who doesn't want any volume or any sort of fullness or movement or lift in through here, then having these corners weighed down is going to be better for you because it's going to eliminate the volume. And then if you're someone who has more of a fuller, rounded face shape and you don't want to have any haircut that's going to expose that or open this up to enhance that rounded face shape, well, a triangular shape is going to work best for you, which means it's shorter in through here or back here, and it all flows longer towards the face, which is leaning out your face. So you might have the wrong haircut shape, which is, or layered shape, than what you really, really need. So those 3 things are super, super important. If you are unsure with what you might have, what your hair might need, I offer a virtual consultation, VIP premium service. It's a Zoom call, one-on-one live with me from anywhere in the world. You can book it. I can analyze your hair and tell you what's going on, what needs to be fixed, and I highly suggest checking it out. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.